Hello everyone! Chinese New Year is coming soon, although I don't really know why I'm so excited. In fact, living far away in a foreign land, the festival atmosphere can only be felt in Chinatown. I haven't celebrated with my family for quite some years. Let's see next year if my family can come to Netherlands to spend New Year's together. Nevertheless, Chinese New Year's dinner still needs to be well prepared. Let's make crispy fried shrimp balls today, a delicious and good-looking New Year's dish. The ingredients are very simple. Look at the upper left corner. Peel and slice the potatoes and put them into the steamer. Steam for 20 minutes on the boiling water. Next, let's clean up the shrimps. Peel the whole shell except the tail parts. Add some salt and cooking wine. I don't have cooking wine at home, only a bottle of rum from a friend before, but I find using rum for braised food is surprisingly ideal. It makes the food really fragrant. The potatoes are ready. Poke with chopsticks or fork to make sure it's cooked through. Next, put potatoes into a bowl. Add salt, pepper, garlic powder, chicken stock, and cornstarch to season. The texture of potato should be like this, then it's ready. Then beat the eggs. We need it for breadcrumbs coating. Now we can start making the shrimp balls. I divided potatoes into 6 portions of 45 grams each. The amount of potatoes depends on the size of the shrimp. You can add more potatoes if the shrimps are bigger in size. Wrap the whole shrimp with potatoes and make it into a ball. Remember to spread the tail, only that it will look good after deep frying. Coat the shrimp balls with a layer of egg wash first, then coat it with breadcrumbs. I prefer more crispy texture, so I coated breadcrumbs twice. It depends on what you prefer. Coated with one layer is also fine. Now we can put the shrimp balls into the oil to fry. Press it down to fry the tail part too. Fry it until golden brown and take it out. Let's set up the plates. The sauce is optional. I like spicy, so I prepare chili sauce as a dipping sauce. Light soy sauce, mayonnaise, or tomato sauce all matches. They smell so good. Also looks good. I'm hungry. Let's cut one open to see the inside. Oh yeah, this is what I'm talking about. The outside layer is very crispy. I love fried shrimp balls. Definitely a must-have in a Chinese New Year's dinner. See you next time. Bye bye!